In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim USPS insurance. If you need to file a USPS insurance claim for a lost package, a damaged shipment, or missing contents, the good news is that the process is fairly straightforward when you use the official USPS website. I'll walk you through the web method so you know exactly what to expect and what information to prepare before you submit anything. First, go to the USPS claims page on the official USPS website. This is the main page where USPS explains the claims process and gives you access to the online filing system. Using the official page is important because it ensures you're following the correct process and submitting your claim securely. Once you're there, sign in to your USPS account. You'll need a USPS.com account to continue. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create one before filing your claim. Make sure you complete that step first so the rest of the process goes smoothly. After signing in, start a new claim by clicking File a Claim. USPS will then ask you for some basic shipment details. Be ready to enter the tracking number, the mailing date, and package details. It helps to have your shipping receipt, order confirmation, or any related mailing records nearby so you can enter everything accurately. Small errors can slow down the review process, so take a moment to double-check the information. Next, choose the type of claim that matches what happened. You'll typically select from a lost package, a damaged item, or missing contents. This step matters because USPS uses it to determine what kind of review is needed and what supporting proof may be required. After that, upload your proof. This is one of the most important parts of the claim. You may need proof of value, such as a receipt or invoice, along with proof of insurance showing that coverage was included or purchased. If the item was damaged, upload clear photos of the damage. In some cases, USPS may also want photos of the packaging, so include those if they're available. The clearer and more complete your documentation is, the better. When everything looks correct, review your claim carefully and click Submit. After submission, you'll be able to track claim updates through your USPS account. Keep in mind that review times can vary. Some claims may be processed in several days, while others can take weeks, especially if an investigation is required before payment is approved. If you can't file online, you can contact USPS customer service, request a paper claim form, and mail it in with your supporting documents. Finally, remember a few important rules. Only the shipper or the recipient can file a claim. You also need to wait until the package is officially considered lost or damaged, and claims must be filed within USPS deadlines, which are usually within 60 days.